Okay, welcome back. How are we all doing? So, I just want to quickly share this with us because yesterday a lot happened, and one of it is what you are seeing on your screen now. I believe it's going to show because I noticed that if I put a video and before I start, recording, sometimes you see my picture talking. So, but when in my recording studio, you will see the picture, but after everything, the picture will disappear. So, I am playing the video, reason because I want you to see it. Then later, I want to play the audio, all right, so that you can hear what the person said. But if you notice here, you will see that this is Dangote's truck. A lot of big truck, on this road. This is to tell you that most of these billionaires, especially government-made billionaires, businessmen, not one, not two, not three, but in this case, the finger is pointing at Dangote. We have talked about this man, Dangote, what they use their what they are using, how they are using their truck to carry out government assignment. You can see the name here on the screen. Let me take it back a little bit so you see it very well. So it's not a propaganda. Oh, why must you single Dangote out? No, I'm not single Dangote out. The recorder, the person that made this record, you can see it here, Dangote. So this truck belongs to Dangote, and likewise many other truck on that road, simply because they want to stop people from the east or south going to Abuja to join the protest. I don't know why protest is a problem to these people. To be honest with you, they are fighting. They are scared of protest more than any deadly diseases. You understand? Even the time of Ebola and C17 or C19. Sorry, um, the fear in the minds of government institutions when protest is mentioned, you cannot compare it with their fear when there's a kind of outbreak like virus and the pandemic. You don't see this kind of fear in them. Why? That's the question. Why? Why are they afraid of people protesting and demanding justice, demanding their rights? I don't understand. But maybe because they're afraid that people you know, may know better, but like people know better than what they used to know. Is that a different issue? The truck here is too so many. To be honest with you, I won't lie. So many of them. I don't think Dangote own all of them, but maybe majority of them belong to Dangote. You never can tell. I'm trying to see if I can read the names, in the other truck to know who actually owned them. But the person recording it did not pay attention to all the truck. But Dangote is always involved in this kind of thing. The question is why. Last time we saw, tanker loaded with the fuel and all that, catch fire and burn people like toilet paper, and destroy many lives. That is then one of these then actually clear the entire one family like that, mother, father, and of course children, six children. Everybody got burnt, and they were traveling to their grandfather or the father of the man's father. They were traveling for his for the man burial, and they got destroyed by what? Dangote truck. So many incidents. Even last month, a lady was called, demanding for help, for medical help, and all that because Dangote truck crushed the lady. So peaceful protest, Dangote truck is involved as well. And there's a memo or a report from a Reverend Father, which we have shared here many times. I've shared that video many times here. I think two, about the one American broadcaster or one American reporter who actually, interviewed the priest from, I think, Benue, and that priest made it clear to the whole world that there's a secret memo that the church managed to lay hand on that, And that memo says the plans, discussed, it details everything about the plans of Fulani people on the tactics they're going to use, they will be using, like using their machete, Okada, that's motorcycle, and using, of course, truck. In the north, who actually owned the truck? Like the main truck that everybody know that can travel places. That is well known that if, even army don't search them, or police don't stop them for to search them. You hardly see that. Dangote. During the time of C19, I always say C17, C19, that pandemic period, we saw how the same truck, Dangote truck, was used to convey arms from different locations in the southwest, in southeast, and south. Nobody noticed that until I think I don't know how God revealed it to some police, and some people actually decided to search to know why is it that this truck is moving when there's lockdown. It happened that they were transporting Fulani youth, to different locations in the bushes. And then they have not made any public statement to condemn that. That's why you are hearing the Fulanis are there. They had to do Imofia. Who actually transport them to Imofia and Ibokufa? Do you understand? We need to say it this way, because if not, nobody will say it for you. Because that is the tactics of Dangote and his people. I would like this video to be, just let me play it and add and release the audio so that you will hear what the person said. But before then, please do me a favor, like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. All right, and keep your eyes on the channel. Comment, let me know what you think about what the video is all about. God bless you as you do so.
Like look at how they block the whole road from east to south to Abuja. This is Lokoja, Abuja. All of us are trapped because of FreeMaziNnamudiKanu FreeMaziNnamudiKanu protest. They went and blocked the road. They used the strategies of they killed someone. So this is what we are seeing now. A lot of us are trapped. Look at this is Lokoja. Yeah, Lokoja. I block Sigoza. What I go in east. I'm Batawuzi. Now Dangote. Now this is Dangote. Fianeme. I just Dangote will block Soza. They will get frustrated and they see east and south. I buy Abuja for this protest.
Exactly.
Their condition I want to win auto. That about 20th of October. And time we get about 6:30 to 7.
Did he say 28? Yeah. He made a mistake. I think it should be 20th of October. He said 28. Wait.
To 7. Yeah, they went up. 6:30. Their condition I want to win auto. That about 20th of October.
28th or 20th of October.
I buy Abuja for this protest. Their condition I want to win auto. That about 20th of October. And time we get about 6:30 to 7. Yeah, they went up. Yes, so they trap, they block the youth so that we cannot invade Abuja for the peaceful protest. So this is what you are seeing now. They trapped now. Okukai is actually our way. Because all we know that we are going to Abuja, and it's unstoppable. Nobody can stop us. So
that is very, very sad. Very, very, very sad. And they're always afraid of protest. Anyway, please make sure you like the video and let me know what you think about it. God bless you. See you again. Bye-bye for now. Take care.